Hey, this is Paul with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I want to show you how to delegate access to a domain to your marketing agency or someone else that you need to. Once you've signed into your GoDaddy account, you're going to go over to your name and come down to account settings. This is pretty easy, pretty quick. And then when this page pops up, go down to account settings and you're going to go to delegate access. Then you're going to hit this people who can access my account, go to invite access, and then you want to type in the name of, in this case it would be myself, and my email, which is paul@grassfiremarketing.com. And then typically I need to the products and domains. If you would like for me to help manage your renewals and such, then click on this product domains and purchase option and then hit invite, and that should send an email to that person to accept the invitation. Once you've done that, you've given access to your domain for them to be able to do some work, move your website, that sort of thing, and whatever they need to do to get you up and running. Thanks.